Today, we're diving into Piclumen AI, an image generation tool that claims to turn your text prompts into stunning visuals. But does it actually deliver, or is it just another tool in a crowded market? Let's find out. Piclumen AI is designed to help users create images from textual descriptions. Using advanced AI technology, you simply input a prompt, and the tool generates an image based on that description. The interface is pretty straightforward, making it accessible for both beginners and more seasoned users. However, it feels like it's aimed primarily at marketers, content creators, and anyone needing quick visuals without a deep dive into graphic design. What stands out is the speed of image generation. It's relatively quick, which can be a huge plus for those on tight deadlines. However, I did notice some inconsistencies in the quality of the images produced. While some outputs are impressive, others can feel somewhat generic or off-mark, which could be frustrating if you're looking for something specific. There's also a lack of detailed customization options, which might leave advanced users wanting more control over the final product. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Piclumen AI is user-friendly and delivers fast results, which is great for quick projects. The potential for generating unique images from simple prompts is exciting, and it could definitely save time for busy creators. On the flip side, there are a few concerns. The image quality can be hit or miss, and some users might find the lack of customization options limiting. Additionally, there's not a lot of transparency regarding the technology behind the tool or how it handles user data, which might make some potential users hesitate. If you're someone who needs high-quality, tailored images, you might want to explore other options or be prepared for some trial and error with Piclumen. In conclusion, Piclumen AI could be a handy tool for those in need of quick AI-generated visuals, especially if you're not too picky about perfection. However, for anyone looking for high-quality, customizable images, it might be worth checking out alternatives. Overall, it feels like a promising start, but definitely has room for improvement.